over my lids. What concealer does is it keeps your eyeshadow intact. Okay, so next what you have to do is pick light brown shade from your palette on any fluffy brush. Place this on the outer corner of your eyes and move it into a circular motion. Then bring it towards the inner corner with very light hand. Now take your flat brush, take the dark brown shade, dab up the excess and put it into your crease. Now take your fluffy brush and blend both the brown eyeshadows. Take a gel liner and apply all over your lids. Do it roughly and don't worry, we'll blend this out. Okay, now apply your gel liner till your crease. Now grab some black eyeshadow and put it over your gel liner.
I promise it won't look like a panda.
Okay, now take blending brush and blend it out. Take darkest brown shadow in your fluffy brush and apply it on your crease where your black and brown shades meet. Now take flat brush, take some brown eyeshadow and blend again. Blend until the harsh line fades off. Don't get confused by so many things happening over here. What you are doing is you are putting lightest shade outside and darkest shade inside. Now what I do for the sharp look is I take concealer on the smallest brush I have, apply it underneath my brows. I'm doing this with my concealer because concealer melts into skin properly. I'm taking wet wipe and cleaning under my eye. Now applying kajal on my waterline. Take brown eyeshadow on any tiny brush and smoke out your lower lash. Okay, so the last step is whatever shade you use as your transition shade, you have to smoke out your lower lash with the same shade.